Alright, so now I have, I've put the battery in here. I kind of get how this whole thing works now. This is my phone connected, it's detected it there. So now it's to pair. So it's telling me I have a download required. Well, it's pretty quick. Okay, so this is connected. Just worried, I don't want to press something and this flies. Okay, it's figured I picked it up. Okay, install. It says Bebop 2. So it probably has figured out that device. So install one update. 20%, it's pretty quick, so nothing to really worry about. It's now 30%. This is not a toy. Some serious stuff. Okay, so I think it's figured it out. So 82% install. Okay, something's beeping. This red light is very bright. 88%. Okay, so now this is about completing. So this is the remote. That's this one here. And then this is the Bebop 2, so that's this one there. Update in progress. Alright. While that's going on, let me see how this fits on my head. Something is definitely happening. Okay, allow free view to access your camera, allow. Okay, I think I need to remove the lens. There we go. So now I can see. Man, this is freaking cool. You guys, I'm not even doing anything, but it's cool. It's cool. Calibration needed. Not recording. What's this? First person auto launch. What did I press? Man, you guys, this thing is cool. Wow. Shit. Whoa. How do you go back? This is the coolest thing ever. Man, okay guys, I don't know, but this is amazing. Okay, so it's just, I'm looking at the screen and stuff. It says I need to calibrate, so I'm looking at the menus now. That's how I'm trying to positioning. How do you? Okay, so guys, yeah, I'm blown away. This is so cool. So I'll take this off now, and I think let me at least see what I'm doing before I go into using the mobile phone to do this. I'm just gonna stick it on, or I'll just literally do this. If I disconnect this, I'll leave it on. Okay, calibration needed, calibrate. So now, okay, I'll just disconnect this for now. When you're going to calibrate your drone, this quickly will take it possible for you to just calibrate, okay? So calibrate then. Oh wow. Whoa. This thing doesn't play. Okay, so it's there. I pushed this button and it went crazy. This one there. Let's see what happens now. Whoa, that's so cool.